Hey everybody. Well, have you ever been to IKEA? I know I hadn't, but where I live in Mississippi, we don't have one, and I've always been really curious about what's in that store. So this is my opportunity. Being in Orlando, I can go to IKEA. I've seen this on several videos, and so I want to see what all there is in there that we might need and we just don't know we need until, for van camping, minivan camping. So for our no build conversion vans. So anyway, I'm gonna run in here and see if I can find us some ideas on things that we could use while we're camping in our minivan. This is future Terry checking in. In this video, I'm curious as to what you thought about some of the items that we looked at. Give me your opinions on some of that stuff. And because that was my first time in there. I've never been in IKEA before, but yeah, leave me some comments and tell me what you thought. And I'll get back to the video. Thank you. Well, here is a soap dispenser for 99 cents. Oh, and a squeegee for when you need to clean up off your windows. And look, here's a whisk broom. I don't know about y'all, but I have to just about sweep mine out almost every day. So, and that dustpan and broom is $2.99. Well, y'all, I see a lot of pots and pans in here. I didn't realize IKEA was so cheap. Their stuff is not very expensive. Look, there's a sifter right there. For what, $5.99? There's some measuring spoons. My grandfather made one of those for my grandmother. And when she passed away, I had asked her if that was really the only thing that I wanted from her was her rolling pin. And I got her rolling pin. My granddaddy made that just especially for her. I'm so proud of that. Don't use it very often, but I have it, Here's some knives. If you need to cut anything up, meat and stuff, if you're going to put it on the grill. Lots of bowls and plates, plate sets. I need some of those for my kitchen, big time. And there's some wicker baskets. And some placemats. Those are pretty. I hadn't thought about using placemats in years. I noticed that a lot of people like to decorate with pillows and stuff inside their no-bills, minivans. And here's a lot of good ideas right here. Oh, and here's some throws too. Look there. There's some blankets and some throws. Oh, that feels so good. It's so soft. And this one's not but $7.99. Yeah. These are soft. Those are pretty. Some more throws. These pillows remind me of like back in the 60s and early 70s, don't they to you? I think that's about the time period I remember these from. And they're $3.99. Look at there. More decorative pillows. Wow. Here's a French press. Those are handy for camping for sure. Oh yeah, I love these. I love these whisk, these little things right here. My sister bought me one for my coffee. I love it. Okay, there's some containers. And there's a bunch of containers. Look at all these, all different sizes. It says, I think these are $5.49 for the 3-pack. They've got glass containers, plastic containers. And they look like, these tops look like they sell pretty good on these containers too, so, wow. Okay, let's see. Some water bottles. Look, I have one of these at home. This is what I cook gumbo in. My mama's recipe. She is raised up French. My mama was French, and she's got a great gumbo recipe. That's all I'm gonna say about that. That's what we used to have for Christmas every year. A big old pot of gumbo. Oh, look. Here's one of those dillies that you can unscrew, hard to unscrew tops with. That's pretty cool right there. Squeeze some orange juice. That's all right. And look, all the seeds and everything go down in this little thing right here. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, it's not but $1.99. Here's some big old trays. Now I needed a tray like this. Last weekend when I was at the crawfish bowl, I could have used one of these trays right here. I mean, it's not very deep, but it's big. Put all sorts of corn and crawfish and mushrooms on that, couldn't you? Well, I don't need any of these for my van, but these are nice, you know what? Everybody needs some good hangers every once in a while. And that says Boomerang Natural 8-pack, $4.99. I just noticed these arrows. There's a light right up there, and it's shooting this down here, and it's, I guess, to help you guide your way through the store. Isn't that the funniest thing? Never seen anything like that. I don't think I need any guidance getting through these aisles, but okay. Now, here's some collapsible totes, y'all. Some big ones and some little ones. All sizes. And there's some wicker baskets down here too. I mean, those are pretty. I hadn't seen wicker baskets in a long time. Oh yeah, that's so cute. Oh wow, that's perfect for moving stuff around. It's got little wheels on it. Yeah, that's cool. I could probably use something like that at my house. Nobody there but me. Sometimes I need help getting stuff moved around. That would be perfect, wouldn't it? Well, y'all, here's some rugs. I've seen a lot of videos on rugs and what type rugs people are putting in their vans. But here's a bunch of rugs. Look at there. Look, y'all, this is your cart, or what we call a buggy in Mississippi. It's what you put your stuff in. You wheel it around till you get to the checkout counter. There's some step stools, $9.99. Things to go in your bathroom. But there's some soap dispensers right there, $6.99. Here's a little basket to put doodads in, I guess, huh? Yeah. And there's some washcloths. Yeah. Here's some comforters. Oh, IKEA's closing in 5 minutes.
Once again, the time is now 7:55, and IKEA will be closing in 5 minutes.
Oh,
Make a
man.
final selection, proceed to the cash lane, and exit is the bistro. Thank you, and have a good night.
Okay, I guess we need to make our way out. Now, this is definitely handy to have right here if you're camping. I mean, just hang it up, and there's your whole suitcase right there. I didn't see all of these candles. There's a bunch of them. Look at all these candles and candle holders. Pretty. Wow, y'all, this place is massive. Look at this. Holy moly. Wow. Ah, check it out. Swedish food market. Really? Biscuits. I'm assuming those are cookies. Oh, wow. Meat and meatless balls. Ooh, okay. Swedish crisp bread. I wonder what that tastes like. Snacks and treats. Well, that was definitely an interesting store. Y'all didn't even get halfway through it though when they started telling people they had to leave because it was 5 minutes till closing. But golly, there were so many things in there. A lot of good things that we could use camping. I mean, but anyway, yeah, I like IKEA. I do. I like it. I appreciate you watching. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. It means so much. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you.